Today, let's start with the third question of your mock paper, that is your correcting incorrect statements. So, bar graph is a non-visual representation of data. Raise your hand or write the answer in the chat box. What will be the answer? Which part should be corrected? Can you tell me? Yes, Vedika, you are absolutely right. This is a visual representation, not a non-visual representation. Bar graph is a visual. Visual, what do you mean by that word? You can see that presentation. Bar graph is a, so you have to underline this portion here. Just a second. Non-visual, you are going to underline, okay, and you will be writing visual instead of that. In this way, you will be giving your answers during the examination time also. Yeah, the part which you are getting corrected, so underline that portion and write down the correct answer. In this question, correct and incorrect statements, you have to write down the question also. Did you get that? Next is a sum of linear pair angle is, yes, Kavya, Anya, Thakur. That's right. Sum of linear pair angles is 180 degree. Anya, Jain, Utkarsh Pandey, that is right. So underline this portion and instead of 90 degree, write down 180, just a second, 180 degrees. Yeah. Am I clear with that? The sum of linear pair angles can be complement angles. The sum of linear pair angles, beta, it should not be. Answer will be a 180 degree only here. Yes, that's right. You have to underline this scalene part here, whose two sides are equal, are called, yes, Lavishkar, you are right, absolutely right here, isosceles triangle. Okay, instead of scalene, you will be writing isosceles here. Here, a triangle in which two sides are equal is called an isosceles triangle. Scalene triangle, all the sides are unequal. That's why they are called scalene triangle. Clear with this? Let's move to the next question. Complete the statements. Here in this question, you have to complete your statements. That the statements are not. So what will be the answer here? Let's write Vansh Sharma, Mukul Jain, Anya Jain. Absolutely right. Yes, that's correct, Anya. Mukul, very good. So the answer will be minus 4 upon 24 comma minus 4 upon 24, then minus 4 upon 24, comma minus 5 upon 30 and minus 6 upon 36. That's right. Yes, Mukul, Devanshi, you're right here. Using Pythagoras property, AB square plus BC square will be equal to Yes, one Sharma, you're right here. Yes, when you are draw a rough diagram of a Pythagoras triangle and sum of two sides is always greater than the third side, that is h square is equal to b square plus p square. This is the formula of Pythagoras theorem. H square is equal to b square plus p square. So here b square plus p square is given here. You have to write h square. That is ca square or ac square. That means the same thing. AC square. Got it? AC square. H square will not be here. H square will be AC square here, Kavya. Sum of exterior angles of a triangle is how much? 180 degree. Vedika. Exterior angle. Yes, Mukul, you are right. 90 Sejal. No, it's wrong. Yes, one Sharma, you are right here. It will be 360 degrees. Your exterior angle will always be your exterior angle, sum of exterior angle is always equal to 360 degrees. Yes, Bhumi Chaudhary. Right. Let's move to the next question. Abhigyan, write down some answers in your notebook. Utilize your pen and paper. Do not sit idle in the class. Vedang Yadav, your camera is still off. Shivam, catch your mistake here. Next question is catch your mistake. X plus 90 degrees is equal to 180 degree. 2x is equal to 90 degree minus 180 degree. X is equal to 90 degree. What is the mistake over here? Right, Anya Jain. No, Mukul, wrong. Anya is correct. No, Sejal, it's wrong. Mistake is there. Mukul Jain, again you are wrong. Kavya Thakur, right. Van Sharma, no. Mukul Jain, now you are right. Here, the mistake is 90 minus 180. This is your mistake. This part is your mistake. So in place of that, what you have to write? 180 minus 90. I told you earlier also that when you are transposing any number, here, so that number will go in front of the number which is already given after equal to sign. Did you get that, Sejal? Did you understood that? The number which is already given after equal to sign, that is 180 degree. In front of that, 90 degree will be coming. It will not be like that 90 minus 180. It will be 180 minus 90. Okay? Shivam, is it clear with you? X is equal to 90 degrees already given. Utkarsh Pandey, no, not minus 90. 180 minus 90 will be there. Utkarsh, just check the answer carefully. Shivam, open your camera. Yes, 65 degree plus 115 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 65 degree and 115 degree are complementary angles. What is the mistake here? Yes, once you are right here. That's right, Vedika. Lavish Garg, you are also right here. So you are going to underline this part, complementary. You have to underline this portion. So in place of that, you will be writing supplementary. Yeah, it is a supplementary angle. Now tell me in the third question, what is the mistake? Solve the question. Shivam, are you listening? Open your camera, Shivam. Or open video, start your video. Check out the third question. Bhubi Chaudhary, Devanshi, Tarun, Parveen Kumar, Karnika Singh, Divyansh Pratap Singh, Fiona Pandey, Mahi Gupta. Open your cameras, everyone. Otherwise, I am removing you from the class. If you are not opening your cameras. Again and again, I will not repeat the instructions. Please follow the instructions carefully. Devanshi, Vishnoi, can you give me the answer? What is the answer over here? Parveen Kumar, what is the mistake which is given over here? Parveen Kumar, what is the mistake given here? Yes, Vedika, that's right. One Sharma, you are also right. Yes. So in this line, the answer will be 1.52. Instead of 15.2, it should be 1.52. This is a mistake here. You have to check this thing. Yes, Kavya, Mahi, 1.52 will be the answer. When you are subtracting 2.32 from 0.8, you are getting 1.52. Yeah? These things you have to check here. Devanshi, 15.2 is wrong. Devanshi, Bhumi Chaudhary. Bhumi Chaudhary, you are right here. Open your camera also, Parveen and Bhumi Chaudhary. Next question. Let's move to the next question. Case study. This is a graph which is given here. Now, on which items, this is Nishant's family, okay? And on various items, you have to answer these questions. Let's write Devanshi. So, on which item does the family spend the maximum amount? Can you tell me which is the maximum amounts? Okay. Maximum amount. Yes, maximum amount is spent on house rent. That's right. So you can write the answer here, house rent. House rent. On which expenditure the minimum? On which item the expenditure is minimum? Yes, electricity. Find the difference in the expenditures of food and education. Expenditure on food and expenditure on education. You have to find out the difference here. That's right, Vedika. 2,800 is food. And on education, we have spent 1,200. So we have to find out, we'll subtract the number and we are getting 1,600. That's right. So the difference between them is 1,600. Got it, everyone? Parveen Kumar, Tushar, Karnika, Yuvraj. Did you get this question? Have you understood this question? Karnika, Yuvraj, Tushar, open your camera. Let's move to the next question now. Find the remaining students here. The total price of money is 50 rupees. And you have to find 1/4 will be girls, half will be boys, and find the remaining students. Again, your cameras are off. Bhuvi Chaudhary, Parveen Kumar, Karnika Singh, Tushar. Why you are closing your cameras again? I didn't understand this thing. I think this is the 15th time I am speaking the names. Open your camera. Tell me the total price, how much we are getting. Yes, we'll multiply 1/4 multiply by 50. So what will be the amount of how many girls are there? Take out 50 multiply 1/4. So try to solve this question. 50 multiply 1/4. Van Sharma, you are right here. Tanvi, you are wrong. Check your question carefully. Divide it, Kavya, and tell me what will be the answer. Check the solution. Tushar, Karnika, what will be 1/4 of 50? Anya, you have to solve it. You have to take out the value. Don't give me the answers in the fractions. Yes. Girls will be, if the half of 50 is 25. So 25 will be the boys. 50, the half of 50 is 25. So 25 will be of 25 boys are there. And 1/4 of 50 is 12.5. That is 12.5 girls, 1/4 of girls, that is 12.5. Then remaining students 25 minus. So there means there are total 37.5 students are there. So the remaining students are yes, 12.5. Got it? Done, everyone? So this one was the OTBA part which you have done today. Okay. So this was your OTBA part. We have completed the OTBA part. Tomorrow we are going to do the next B section of this mock paper.